Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a money management system with SoFi. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a money management system with SoFi, begin by downloading the SoFi app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and sign up for a new account or log into your existing SoFi account. After logging in, navigate to the Money section located in the main menu. In the Money section, select the option to set up your budget. Begin by entering your income. This can include your salary, side hustles, or any other sources of revenue. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed expenses typically include rent, utilities, and loan payments. Variable expenses may consist of groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once your expenses are categorized, assign a budget amount to each category based on your financial goals. SoFi allows you to set spending limits for each category to help you stay on track. After setting your budget, use the expense tracking feature to monitor your spending in real time. As you spend, the app will automatically categorize your expenses for easier tracking. Review your budget weekly to adjust any categories as necessary and stay aligned with your financial goals. Additionally, take advantage of the savings features offered by SoFi to grow your money over time. Explore tools like direct deposit, which can streamline saving by automatically allocating funds to your savings goals. Consider utilizing the investment options available within SoFi to maximize your money management strategy. Lastly, revisit your budget monthly to evaluate your progress and make adjustments based on any changes in your financial situation. By following these steps, you will have a solid money management system in place using SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.